Hello guys, welcome back to the second part of April 2020 21 paper 1. In the first part we did from question 1 to 13. So in this part I will cover the remaining questions. So let's get started. Question 14. Write 62 over 72 as a fraction in its simplest form. So we need this in simplest form. As you can see, we have 66 over 72. So both are even numbers and both are divisible by 2. So we can divide it by 2 by 2. So this will be 33 over 36. Now again we can see this is 33 and 36. Both are divisible by 3. So you can again divide both by 3. So it is 11 over 12. So we will write down this in the answer column. Okay, now question number 15. Work out 14 plus negative 5.5. So you can see we have two numbers with different signs. So we are going to subtract that. So this is 14.0 minus 5.5. So when you subtract this is this will become 3 here. You are taking carry from this side. So this will be 13 and it will become 10. 10 minus 5 is 5. Then 13 minus 5 it is 8. So final answer is 8.5. Next question, negative 6 times negative 1.5. So we are just going to multiply 15 times 6. 6 times 5 is 30. 3. 6 times 1 6 plus 3 it is 9. And we had one decimal place, so you are going to put one decimal place here. So it is 9. As there are two negative signs, so negative and negative will get cancelled when you multiply two negative numbers. So this will be positive 9. Now question number 16. A shop sells two sizes of washing powder. Packet A contains 900 grams plus 1 by 4 extra. And pack B contains 1 kilogram plus 20% extra. Tick the pack that contains most powder. You must show your working. So we need to see which one out of these two packets contains more powder. So we can do this step by step for pack A. In the pack A we have 900 grams plus 1 over 4 extra. So extra is 1 over 4. So extra is 1 by 4 of 900. So this will be 1 over 4 times 900. So when you divide this 900 by 4, this is 225 grams. So it has 900 already. So total powder will be 900 plus 225. So this is 5, 2, 9 plus 2 it is 11. So 1125 grams in packet A. Now let's see in packet B. In pack B we have 1 kilogram plus 20% extra. So first we will calculate the extra powder, which is 20%. 20% means 20 over 100 of 1 kilogram. 1 kilogram is 1000 grams. So of 1000 grams, these two zeros are gone. So we have 20 times 10, it is 200 grams extra. So how much was this before? It was 1000 gram. So total powder in packet B, it is 1000 grams plus 200 grams. So 1200 grams. So which one has greater here in packet B? This is 1125. So greater is packet B. So we will tick pack B. I hope you understood this. Let's move to next question. Question 17. Two different rectangles are joined together to make a compound shape. Shape A has length of x plus 3 and width of x plus 2. This is shape A. Length and width is given. Similarly, we are given length and width of shape B, x plus 6 and x minus 2. So the question is, find an expression for the area of compound shape in centimeter squares and give your answer in this form. So first we have to calculate area of shape A, area of shape B, then we will add them together. So area of shape A. Area of shape A is area length times width. You all know area of the rectangle is length times width, so that will be x plus 3 times x plus 2. So when you open the bracket, x times x, it is x squared, then x will times 2, this is 2x. Now x times x again, x squared, then we are done with this 3, we are done with this x, so we will multiply by 3. So this will be, plus 3x plus then 3 times 2, it is 6. So total will be x squared plus 5x plus 6. This is the area of shape A. So similarly, we are going to find out area of shape B. Shape B, we have length is x plus x, x minus 2. So now again we will open the bracket. So you are going to multiply x first here. So that will be x squared minus 2x, then with 6 plus 6x minus 6 times 2 is 12. So it is x squared. Now when you combine these two, it is negative 2x plus 6x. 6 is greater, so we will subtract and take the sign of greater number, plus 4x minus 12. So we have area of shape A and shape B. So now total area of the compound shape. So we are going to add this, x square plus 5x plus 6, and we are adding in this area. So when you add this, so this is 6 and positive 6 and negative 12, it will be negative 6. 5 plus 4, it is 9x, x plus x, it is 2x squared. So this is the final answer, and you can see this is answer in this form, ax squared plus bx plus c. So this we are going to write down in the blank space here. So this is the area of compound shape. It's very simple. You can just find out area of shape A and area of shape B separately and then add them together. Question number 18. Here is a square based pyramid. The top vertex is directly above the middle of this base. Write the number of plane symmetry in this pyramid. So as it is a square based, so it will have 4, because it has 4 sides, so it will have 4 planes of symmetry, like here. From this side, another one will be from this side, 1, 2, then you're going to have this way and this way. So total will be 4 planes of symmetry in this. Question 19. The table shows the ratio of the number of teachers to the number of students needed for each class. So we have classes here and teacher-student ratio on the other side. Students are asked to choose from 3 classes. 14 chooses swimming, 22 choose volleyball, and 27 football. All the classes happen at same time. Calculate the number of teachers needed in total. So as all the classes are happening at the same time, so we need teachers in that ratio. So let's start with the swimming first. Swimming, the in swimming we have a ratio 1:3, but we need it there are 14 students, so we don't know. This is teacher and student. It is 1:3. This is teacher, this is student. So how many teachers are needed? So that means we need to have 14 here. 14 students to swimming. So let's see. So when you cross multiply this, you are going to get it x equals to 3 times x equals to 14 times 1. So x will be 14 over 3. So 14 over 3, it is 4 point something. It is 4.6. So how many teachers? 4.6 cannot be the number of teachers, so they need one more than 4. So x is going to be 5 here. So that means number of teachers needed for we'll say here number of swimming teachers plus number of volleyball teachers plus number of football teachers. Okay, so number of swimming teachers we got here, it is 5. So now let's see volleyball teachers. So it is 1:20 for the second part, volleyball. So it is 1:10, but there are 22 students. So these are the students, 22 here. So again we need the value of x here. So x times 10. So x times 10, 22 times this. So that means it will be 22 over 10. That is 2.2. So more than that. So it will be 3. So we cannot have 2 teachers. This is not approximation. And try to understand, this is not approximation. It is 2.2. That means you need more than 2. Now, so more than 2 will be 3. So total number of teachers will be 3 for volleyball. Then we have number of football teachers. So for the football teachers, we have ratio 1:12 and 27 choose football. So here it is 27. Again we need x times 12 equals to 27 times 1. So x will be 27 over 12. So it comes out to be 2.25. Again you need teacher more than 2. More than 2 means that will be 3. So it is 3. So total number of teachers, 5 plus 3 8, 8 plus 3 11. So final answer will be 11 here. So let me explain again this thing. For swimming, you are going to take the ratio of teacher to student. Accordingly, you are taking for volleyball and for football. Then add them all of the number of teachers to get the final number. Part B. A dance class needs a ratio of 1 teacher for every 16 students. There are 5 dance teachers. 72 choose dance. Calculate how many more students can attend. So now 72 already chose. 72 already chose. So but we have 5 dance teachers. So let's see. So we have teacher ratio students. So for 1 teacher there are 16 students. Okay. So there are total 5 dance teachers. Okay, so let's put 5 here and see how many students can choose this dance. Okay, so when you cross multiply, this will be x times 16, 5 times this is x times 1 from this side, x times 1, then 5 times 16. So x equals to 16 times 5, it is 80. So there are 80 students who can choose dance. but 72 already chose. So how many more? How many more students can attend? That can attend, it is 80 minus 72, which is 8. So this will be 8. Question 20. Mia wants to investigate if older students have more money than younger students. She surveys students at her school. Identify 2 pieces of data that Mia must collect from each of the student. Now see, we need to write down 2 keywords here. So let's read the question again. Mia wants to investigate if older students have more money than younger student. So what she is doing, she is comparing the age and the money. So what should come here? She should collect information about the age of students, plus the amount of money. So these 2 factors should be included in the information collected. Question 21. The grid shows a straight line. So you can see the straight line here. Draw a ring around the equation of the line. So we are given different lines, equation of lines here. We need to choose which one is correct. Now we can start one by one taking the steps. So as we know, like this equation of the straight line is equal to y equals to mx plus c. So c is the y-intercept. So c is y-intercept. Y-intercept means where the line crosses the y-axis. So we have here line crosses here at -2. So value of c is -2. So you can see -2. So this is +2. So this cannot be our answer. This cannot be our answer. And this one y equals to -2, because this is a diagonal line. So this cannot be the solution. So we have these 2 remaining now with the y-intercept -2 and -2. So now we need to look for, so we got this y equals to mx minus 2 if we replace the value of c as -2. Now we need to find out value of m. And so what is m? M is rise over run. So choose any 2 points. Let's say I'm taking from here to this point to this point. So from here, rise is 2 and run is also 2. So this is 2 over 2. So 2 over 2 is 1. 2 divided by 2 is 1. So that means value of m, slope is 1. So y equals to m is 1. 1 times x is x minus 2. So you can see what we have here. The equation is y equals to x minus 2. So we are going to circle this here. Okay. Now part B. A different equation 2x plus y equals to 4 is given. Complete the table for this. So we have this. We are going to complete this. So now see, if x is 0. If x is 0, we are just going to substitute the values. If x is 0 here, so that means this value will be 0. So y will be equals to 4. Okay. Now if y is 0. If y is 0, that means this is going to be 0. So this will become 2x plus 0 equals to 4. And 2x will be 4 and x will be 2. So this is going to be 2. 2 times 2. So that will be 2. Now draw the line of 2x plus y equals to 4. Means we are going to plot these lines, these points there. x0, y4, x0 here, and y4 it is this point. Okay. Then we have 2 0, x2, y0. x2 is here and y0. y0, that means this is the point. Then x3, y negative 2. x3 and y negative 2 is this line. So we are just going to join this. Just joining these 3 points. So this is the required line. That's it for this question. Let's move to next one. Question 22. Two shapes are shown in the grid. You can see there are two shapes, A and B. The question is, describe the single transformation that maps A onto B. So we can use tracing paper for that. So I have already traced this shape here. This is shape A. So you can see, so if you look here, so we can, this cannot be rotation because you can see this direction is same, and so this is a reflection. So this is the reflection line here. If you see here, if you're going to turn this over the other side from this point like this, so you see this overlaps the shape here. This comes this way, so it is reflection. So it is a reflection along line y equals to 0. Y equals to 0 is this line here. Next, draw the image of shape B after the enlargement, scale factor 2 and center -10 and 8. So first we need to see where is -10 and 8. -10 is here and 8 is here. So this is our center here. So we are going to enlarge shape B with scale factor of 2. So when we enlarge the shape by scale factor 2, so that means all the sides are going to increase by 2. So if we have this here 2 squares, so this side we will have 4 squares. So this is one diagonal, so it will be 2 diagonals. So we are going to make it twice. So but according to this here, the center, this is the center here. So we can take any corner. So I'm taking this corner here. So this is a distance of approximately, it is 2.5. So 2.5, the double is 5. So this will be the point here. So this corner is coming at this point. So now from here shape is downward. So 1, 2 square. But we are going to make it times 2. So I will take 4 square. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So second point is this. So if we join this one here, it will show you like how the shape should look. So this is here. So now diagonally it is 1. So from here it should be 2. So this will be the second point. Downwards again 1, 2. So we will have 1, 2, 3 and 4. So this will be the next point here. So this is the enlarged shape. I think you are able to see that. So this is the enlargement of B with the scale factor of 2 and center -10 and 8. Question 23. Students can choose to take part in a club after school. Lily draw a pie chart. So Lily draws a pie chart to show the club. The clubs chosen by girls, and Yuri draws pictogram to show the clubs chosen by boys. So there are two different graphs. This is of Lily's and this is of Yuri. This is for girls and this is for boys. So key is given to us in this case. Now the question is tick to show if these statements true or false, or you cannot tell. So we have 3 options: true, false, or we cannot tell. So let's see one by one. First one is 10 more boys chose football than music. So we need to compare football and music. So this is football versus music. He said 10 more boys. So let's see how many boys chose football and music. This is 20 here. So we are given this key is 20. So this is art. Let me just write down here. So art is chosen by 40, 20 plus 20, and football is 20, 20 and 20. This is 60, 60 plus 10. This is 70, and music is 20, 20, 40 and half, it is 50. So we have here like 10 more boys. He said 10 more boys choose football than music. So football and music. So the difference is 20, not 10. So this is false. This information is false. Now second, the model club is same for both girls and boys. So model club means like the club that is chosen by most of the students, either boys or girls. So let's see here. If you see, maximum number is of football. Here also is maximum is football. So this is true. Now the next one, the larger proportion of girls than boys chose art. So we are comparing art now. So art, we can say we have here 1/4 because this is quarter, and here art is 40. So total, how many total are they? It is 40 plus 70, 110, 110 plus 50. So let's just add 40, 70, 50. 0, 7 plus 4, 11, 5, 60, 160. So 1/4 of 160 is 40. So he said larger proportion, but it's not large, they are same. So this is false again. Now larger number of boys than girls chose football. So larger number of boys and girls. Now we are comparing football for boys and girls, but we cannot say because we have the number of boys but do not have the number of girls here. So then we cannot say. So it is just, we will take here, we cannot say. So that's it for this question. Question 24. Here is a graph of 4 lines. You can see we have 4 lines here, and the equations of these lines, these are the equations of all these lines. Use the graph to find an approximate solution for these simultaneous equations. So we need the equation of solution of this. So for that we need to recognize the equations. So x plus 14, y equals to x plus 14. So y intercept is 14. So where is y intercept 14? Y intercept 14 is here. So you can see this is 10 and this will be 15 here. So 14. So this is the line of y equals to x plus 14. Okay. Now the second one is x equals to 2y. X plus 2y equals to 36. So we can write this in this form. So this can be written as 2y equals to, bring x this side, minus x plus 36, divide by 2 this side, divide by 2 this side. So this will be y. This will be negative half x plus 18. When you divide 36 by 2, it will be 18. So now we are looking for the line with the x equals to 18 intercept, y intercept. So it is x equals to 18. It is x plus 2y equals to 36. 18 x, y intercept 18. It should this is y line of y, so it is 18 here. So this is the equation of the line x plus 2y equals to 36. So now see where these two lines, so this line and this line, they intersect at this point. So this is our point where we are looking for the solution. So when you go down here this way, so let's just go down to find out the value of x, and on the left hand side to find out value of y. So when you go down here, this is 5 and half of 5 is 2.5. So it's approximately 2.3 here, this point 2.3. So x is 2.3 and y is this is 15, 16, between 16 and 17. So it may be 16.2. So you need not to find out all the equations, we just will look for the equations that we need and check the intersecting point of those lines to get the values of x and y. Before we move to question number 25, I will request you guys to subscribe to my channel, please support for this. If you understand this, I will continue posting new papers whatever I will get, and you can ask me questions if there is anything or any extra or further information is required or any explanation. So you can just write in the comment section. So now let's start question number 25. William plays a game. He throws 2 fair dice. His score is the higher of the 2 numbers shown on the dice. The sample space shown shows some of his possible scores. So if we have first dice here, second dice, what he's writing here the highest score. So complete the sample diagram. So we have to complete this one. So see how it works. 1 and 1 on first dice is 1, second, both are same, so we'll write 1. The second choice is 1 and 2, higher is 2, so we will take here 2. 1 and 3, higher is 3. 1 and 4, higher is 4. So we are taking here the higher number. So like here this 2, 2, the higher 2 and 5, it will be 5. Then 2 and 6, it will be 6. Now here it will be 3 and 5. So higher is 5. Then 3 and 6, higher is 6. So here 4, 1, higher will be 4. 4, 2, higher is 4 again. 4, 3, higher is 4. 4, 5, higher is 5. Similarly 6. This higher will be 5, 5, again 5, 5 and 4 is 5. This will be 6. So 6, 1, 6 is going to be high in all of them. So this all will be 6 here. So this is how you can complete this diagram. Let me explain you again if you don't get it. Like first dice, we have scores like this, first dice and second dice. If you throw 1 and 1, this is first dice, second dice, 2 from here 1, then it will be 2 on the second. Which one is higher? 2 is higher, we will record 2 here. So then 1 and 3 is higher, so you record 3 here. Then 1 and 4, higher is 4, you record 4 here. So this is how you are going to complete this table. Now next part B, work out the probability that his score is greater than 4. So we are counting all which are greater than 4. Greater than 4, not equal to 4, but greater than. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 and 18 and 19 and 20. So all these numbers are greater than 4. So the probability, the total outcome 6 this side and 6 on the other side. Total outcome is 36. So this is 36. So greater than is coming 20 times, out of how many? 36. So we can simplify, you can write this answer or you can just simplify. Divide it by 4. Both numerator and denominator is 5 over 9. So final answer will be 5 over 9. So that's the end of this paper. So I hope you understood all the question. If there is anything, you can let me know in the comment section. Please like and share and subscribe to my channel. Share with your friends and let me know any other paper. And you can find the PDF file in the description. Thanks for watching.